Hi everyone, I am Georgia from Teach With Me in Prep G. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a scratch and reveal seesaw activity to involve some interaction with your kids via Seesaw. And it's super easy. I think sometimes these activities look really daunting when you see other people do them online, but creating these is super easy, so we'll jump in and show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with our template. So I've already created the template in PowerPoint. I prefer to use PowerPoint. You can use Canva. Google Slides is an option. However, the options are quite limited on Google Slides as to how creative you can be. So I do prefer PowerPoint, but that's a personal preference. So we're doing seasons this term, and unfortunately right now we're in Melbourne and in lockdown, so we've had to change up the way we're doing seasons with the preps or the kindergartners or whatever you want to call them, and we're doing it online. So what they're going to do is they are going to choose their favourite season, and then they're going to use the scratch and reveal activity to scratch off a couple of activities to do and complete them and send them back to their teacher. So I'm going to show you guys how to create the scratch portion of it. So here we have my template. I've created it in PowerPoint. It's got 12 different activities that they're going to do, and I've actually gotten rid of the clip arts for the minute to show you how I'm going to do that because they were in the way of the boxes, so I'm going to pop them in later. So when I go to Seesaw, I'm going to go to create a new activity, and obviously you'll fill in all of this information here. But what I want to do is just go to add template for student responses. So I am a drag and drop girl, so I'm going to get the document from over here in my Finder and drag and drop it into the upload section. So I'm just going to do that. Perfect, and then I am going to drop in what I need to. So to create the scratch and reveal activity, what you need to do first is I go over to the ellipsis, the 3 dots, and I go to shape, and I use this shape here, which is the rounded cornered square. When I click on that, I drop it in, and I'm just going to move it across to this first one. Unfortunately, Seesaw doesn't have the option at the moment to copy and paste multiple items, so you have to do it one by one. So I'm going to go to the 3 dots here, and I'm going to go to this middle option here, which means it creates a frame rather than being a filled in image. I also need to go down here, and I'm going to make the color of it white. It doesn't have to be, but I just prefer for all of the scratch activities to be white. So from there, I'm going to copy this and paste it across, and then I've got to move it across. And as I said before, unfortunately Seesaw doesn't have the feature to do more than one at a time, so I can't select both of these and copy paste them over here. I have to do it individually for every box. Okay, so now that I've done that, what I need to do is go down to the bottom here and select the marker tool and make that white as well. And you have to click on it again and make sure you've selected the biggest text size. And unfortunately, Seesaw doesn't have a color block, like drag and drop color block scenario, so you have to individually color each box in with the white marker. Now you can go up here to the zoom tool and zoom in a little bit on there so that it's easier to do, and just drag around from there so that you can get to that spot, and you're just going to color in each box one at a time using the marker tool. This is why the frame is a really good thing to do first, 'cause it's just good boundary for you when you're coloring in. Also, you could add those frames in on whatever platform that you're using to make the activity. I just prefer to do it on Seesaw. Okay, so now you have your white boxes all colored in. I'm just going to quickly add in a couple of clip arts that I actually took out for the purpose of the Seesaw activity, because the white boxes kind of covered them up. So I'm going to go quickly now and just put those in as well. And then it is nearly ready to go. So I've popped my clip arts in and it's all ready to go. So then when I click the green tick, it will take me back to the activities page and it is ready to go. So once you've assigned your activity, your instructions just need to be that the children can select the eraser tool and they just literally need to erase the white out of the center of each box, and that will reveal the activity that they need to do for that season or whatever it is you may choose. You don't have to do it for seasons, you could do it for any topic. We did one of these the other day for time, now we've done it for seasons as well, and the kids love it. It's a very popular activity. Hopefully this helps you create scratch and reveal activities. Please comment below if you need more help or have any suggestions. I'll also link below the template to the seasons one in case you wanted that in TPT, and I'm looking forward to creating more videos.